Funky D, welcome back. Today, the news says Sokoto plateau killing. Buhari orders army, police to flush out bandits. Before we go into this news, make I use this medium thank all of them when they watch Funky D. Thank those people when we see they don't subscribe. And also for those of them who never subscribe, they could make sure see una begin subscribe. And make make sure see una they press that bell sign when they decide any time when I upload, una first get my video. Now the news. President Muhammadu Buhari, according to what the news tell us, it don't come and they direct the army, the Nigerian army, to join the police to flush out bandits from forest around the country, particularly in the area when they witness recent attack. The president don't give the directive in a response to the killing of 20 people in Sokoto State. In one community, when they attack, or when they under attack, or when they don't attack, when be the bandits. As well as the reported killing of 10 others in Bassa local government area of Plateau State, making it 30 people. Like say, then they fight war. War not in Nigeria, but the places when war did, they not they die like the way where the people they die in that country. Every time Buhari they order, every time Buhari they give directive, every time they talk about flushing out bandit, every time they talk about flushing out criminals, with mouth, now they take the flush them out. With mouth. In fact, where the Buhari, when they order all these things, when then they order. When people know they see them in the television, when they give all this order. Before you know, all those people, when they propagate, that is the propaganda machine when they get, they will just come out. Come they talk, say Buhari give order. Buhari give order. Where this Buhari when they give order? And again, why can't be say every time they use that word, say in send them, they go flush out bandit. This bandit, they don't they finish. That is why people they claim say Nigeria not get presidents. Nigeria not get governments. Waiting Nigeria get na criminals and looters. Now he then get there what they call Aso Rock Villa. Also, another thing where they get na impostors. Everywhere in Aso Rock Villa na impostors. They every corner in that villa. So where the Buhari make una stop to the lie. Buhari order to flush. How many times Buhari don't order to flush Boko Haram people? Till today, Boko Haram still worse, stronger and stronger. Till today, ISWAP, bandit, they full all corner. The same thing where they do since 2015 they come. Now still the same thing. In fact, they think on worst now. They think on worst every day now mouth. Whereas some army people, when some people go come and come one expose them, then go sack them from the positions when they then go sack them from the military. Check out what thing happened last time. That Adeni, that Yoruba man when they sack because the man they talk see the bandits, the so-called bandits, what they call Boko Haram, and all of them don't overwhelm them, don't overrun them. As they hear that, the next day just sack the man. They tell us now, say then send the man go school. How gonna go send Major General, Big General go school? Which school you know they send and go? The world don't know everything well now they do. Make una stop to they do propaganda. There is no Buhari there. People when be the army, now the Boko Haram. The militaries where they get, the soldiers where they get in Nigeria, now Boko Haram. So make una stop this Buhari order and no Buhari order, nothing to nobody. According to a press statement signed by presidential spokesperson Garba Shehu, these are the propaganda machine where they get in that Asurok. We must to expose now. We will continue to expose now Garba Shehu. The chief of, on Friday, the chief of army staff, Lieutenant General Toka Borata, in Nigeria, but they never fight any war. Ordinary Boko Haram, when they not reach anything, according to the way where they claim, say they get Boko Haram people when they Nigeria there. They not fit defeat them, but the man Nigeria. Common Boko Haram. Since how many years now they don't do into power? This same man they call Borata. Boko Haram see they, and then they claim say Nigeria. Which kind of general are you? Which war you don't fight? When you can't take collect this rank where you did. You not fight war. You never go any war. You declaim say you be general. General Toka Borata. Now their mouth Borata they sweet. General Toka Borata. Beg me gonna go sit down. Una must to send this video go reach Borata. When Funky did they take us and say which kind of war you don't fight before. When you can't take reach that rank. They can't say the same Borata don't already got in touch with the general officer commanding the army formation in the affected state, directing them to reinforce the police efforts to track the bandit and bring them to justice. All these things are big grammar when una they write. Now big grammar when una they speak. Then say Buhari they direct them. Before the Buhari don't direct them in already, they talk to their commander. Before Buhari direct them. Make them find those people, make them bring them to justice. Justice. Mr. Justice. Buhari when be Jubri himself or whoever they also commiserate with the government and people of these two states. Assuring government all the time now assure. Then they assure. I assure you. I go do this. I assure you. Now mother take assure. Buhari not there. Everything na artificial in that country. Everything. Now so it be. Everything na fake. Assuring the two state governors, Governor Aminu Tambawa and Simon Lalong of the federal government support in bringing an end to the spate of attacks in the region. He prayed that Allah would comfort those who lost beloved family members and friends in the attack, said Shehu Sani. Why it can't be say this una Buhari not get mouth to come on his own, like as in President Trump them, they come out the yarn. Why can't be say either Femi Adesina or Garba Shehu must to come out and speak for president? Make una not forget, see recently, that Femi Adesina don't tell Nigerian people say, president get his own style of ruling. He get his own style of ruling. Una never see anything, no. Una never see anything. Make una just do that they do the propaganda when they do. Una never see anything. So why it can't be say every time now either this Garba Shehu must to speak say na Buhari they say, you go begin to know say all the whole thing, all the whole expose when Nanekano don't make regarding this Jubri, regarding this Abakari, regarding the impostor from Sudan, regarding all of them when they there, na 100% true. Even Aisha Buhari don't content Nigerian people. Only thing when they be say Nigerian people, I just wonder the kind head when I get when I take reason. A wife of president herself don't content on her say president not there alive again. See the impostor. The same impostor now go carry disease from Germany. When he go doing own business. When they claim say he go bring electricity. He won't come help Nigerian people bring electricity. Must he travel to Germany to give Nigerian people before Nigerian people get electricity? Okay, where that electricity now when I back here they don't go go make business. When I talk say go meet some people, some seamen because of Nigerian power. Where is that electricity today now? Abakari did that since 100 years. Una when be government, APC and PDP, all of them they into government since 100 years. Everything one on the content Nigerian people now fraud and lies. Where the electricity now, they ask you when they support Abakari. I say, Aisha Boy don't tell me, say, these people now them be the impostor when they are so rock. All of them stand there. That is why we talk, see, Boko Haram go continue to the mem all of them. They go continue to destroy. For even you, when they claim, say, Amen at the Boko Haram. Yes, they go come for you because now you they support Abakari. Then go come for you when they talk, say, oh, now army people now them be Boko Haram. They must go come for you. You when believe in one Nigeria. You when not still know say na fraud, then they fraud you. You when not still know say that Jubri from Sudan they rule you. Through Abakari, then they do everything. And Mamandaura. People, when they're not elect, why army no go destroy you? Why army no go come kill you? Why army no go take over your property? Why army no go take over your wife? Why army no go take over your land? When those army people that no say you not be am, say you not get that number, say you not there anywhere. That's why they will continue to come, because Una refuse to acknowledge the truth. Una refuse to acknowledge what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, don't tell all of Una. Una refuse to acknowledge what we don't they talk, they come since. That is why army no go stop to disturb you. Because they know say your brain not there. Every time Buhari say, oh, the Buhari in photo news, oh, Buhari in picture news, oh, Buhari in photo news, every time. Buhari when say, why come be saying Garbasheo they say for Buhari? As Buhari they go, Garbasheo they go channel television, why Buhari cannot they inside his office then go they interview him in channel television? The way, if una not want making come channel television station when una the sponsor, una when be the government, APC people, why the man no go they ask rock? Then that basket head when they for channel television go still they ask him question just exactly the same way when they ask Garbasheo. Why come be say Garbasheo must come or Femi Adesina must come talk say Buhari say? When the man una they claim say he die alive and I say na him be president and say na him be Buhari. Make all of us go sit down. Make we move on, ladies and gentlemen. Bandit again, bandit to this bandit. They tell us their name. Boko Haram now don't turn to bandit. Hesmin don't turn to bandit. ISWAP when be ISWAP. All of them don't turn to bandits. Bandits. They call Boko Haram again. Bandit. Kill man. 2 housewife in Kaduna State. The same bandit people when they say, when the Buhari don't say me then go flush you. Now so suspected bandit. They say in a separate attack on 2 communities in Igabi local government area of Kaduna State, they don't kill 3 persons, including 2 housewives. Daily Post, now they learn this thing on Saturday. This one now Saturday, Daily Post, the yarn. The attack on the 2 communities of Rago in Karawa Ward and Zaron Giwa in Sabon Bani Ward. Daily Trust gathered. They can say everything occurred some days ago, but due to the bad mobile network reception, the news was unable to get out until today, when be Saturday. According to a source in the community, the bandit can open fire on the innocent women at a village called Rago. That Rago is a few minutes from Karawa town in Agambi, local government area. And I know say Funky D not know all these places, but now the way when the news they bring and come, now go they, they bring and come give owner. All these things happen, they happen in Kaduna State when RFI, where RFI come from. RFI when be the owner governor. The body bag master, the ethnic cleansing master, when go cleanse all of on her head when I don't want to hear word. I don't tell her. Make una there they shout APC and PDP. The only option in that country in a division. APC cannot save you. When don't clamor Jubilee now, Buhari and all of them. Where on our day today now? Una when don't support APC people. Una when don't support PDP people before. Where on our day now? All the whole men when don't support APC, when they claim say they be APC people, from Kidi they ask una where on our day today now? Today all of una they cry say una not get electricity. Today all of una they cry say una not get nothing. Today all of una they cry say una not get money to eat food. Say make government come give una 30,000 naira when una want take stay for house. Like say, in fact the federal government don't make all of una handicap. All of una did there now handicap all of una be. So una they cry make federal government come help una say so that una if you see money take buy food this time now when they tell una say make una sit down for house because of coronavirus. So now 2 coronavirus now all of una get in Nigeria. One na hunger. And the other one are the real virus. The one na hunger virus and the coronavirus. Now be this one now when they don't take hit Nigerian people. If coronavirus not kill you, hunger go first kill you. Now be the one when government dinner. And that 30,000 one are they clamor for. Una no go see. They just display the money on top table. I say now so abroad people display money on top table. All those things now fraud. To display money for table when they want to take, come display them for social media so that even people when they abroad go see that they want share money. All those things now fraud. You know go see one kobo so that you go know next time. Say now that one Nigeria no they work. So that you go know next time say now the division of that country now be the ultimate. Now be the go changer for your life. All these things no go stop until that one Nigeria disorganize, until that one Nigeria scatter rich ground. All of una go continue to the beg FG. All of una and una go see anything. You that una head go correct. They just use that money. See, they won't share money. They're not supposed to show the world say they won't share money. How much be that money when them drop put on top table? When they claim say they won't take share, give Nigerian people, the whole 200 million Nigerian people, 30,000. Even 33 naira, you no go see them. Electricity, you no go see them. Hospital, you no go see them. Good road, you no go see them. Hunger go they mama you. Because of that hunger, now they take the brag. Because they know say if una dey hungry, una know if you fight it them, una know if you stand up. So it better make una change your mindset right now. Because they no go stop. The bandit go begin to they come. They go continue to they come. Because our government is send them. Say, oh yeah, go this village. You get some stubborn men when they there, when they don't want to make we move forward. Go attack them. They will come attack you. Look at bomb when them bomb. 2 places now them bomb in Lagos. Nobody may fame. We they see some people they come out, all those some Yoruba people when they claim say they be politicians, they come out, they make noise on social media. The matter when are supposed to tackle and no go tackle them. The one when they not send on and I go come the yam. I see they no go stop. Look, bandit they kill 30, 100 at once. Now country be that. Not be war zone be that. They say then get security. Buhari don't tell them say make them go flush people out. Or Ponce don't send them. Then they come. And when they do all this, they know those securities when Buhari don't order make them go flush, waiting then they flush. Not they there. They're not the day there when the thing they happen. Now when the thing don't finish, those people they don't go reach their house, carry waiting, then carry key. People when they key, then you see they will come out say waiting they happen in this community. I don't tell them that they go just that they drink that their kunu. They go just that they drink their kunu, they not send you message. So you, when they call APC and PDP, you no go get any good thing from this government. From APC or PDP. It better make all of now make on a choice. APC, not they help you. No one go help you. The only thing when go save your life, save your family's life, make you happy, get rest of mind. Now the division. of Nigeria. Nothing else. No one will give you happiness. I say make una dey subscribe and make una dey share. See, that community now, they don't kill again. No, Buhari don't tell them say make them go. Now Buhari where they don't they see. Now photo news that they tell us. The man not they come out. He they send Abashewu. He they send this one. He they send that one. Then they send them come out. The Buhari when I say 9 days there, we know the same. Nobody don't ever see the man for eye. The man don't turn spirit. Now spirit now be on a president too. I don't tell her. So make una dey subscribe and make una dey share. All right. One love.